Hello, so here is how to peel garlic very fast. Step 1 is to replace the boring cutting board for a cool cutting board. Step 2, take a garlic in your hand and like smash it open, just like destroy it, alright? Now, you have a couple of different pieces, smaller pieces, right? You take one like this one, for example. And this one actually is pretty flat, so the best method won't work. So what you do is you squeeze it with your fingers and wiggle it like that. And actually, it should make the skin come off very easily. And yeah, actually, as you can see, no trouble, it is peeled quite nicely. But if you find a better piece, like this one I suppose, what you can do, which is way more fun, is to put it in your palm like that, right? Put the other palm, and while squeezing it, rotate. One more. And one more. And it is peeled quite easily. Just like that.
Gott.